सब्सक्राइब कीजिए टेक विद एनवीडीए चैनल को और बेल आइकॉन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट वीडियोस पाइए।
Hello guys and welcome to my channel Tech with NVDA. So today we are talking about data validation in Excel. So my name is George. You are watching Tech with NVDA. Make the word accessible. So first of all, let me tell you what is data validation. So data validation means you can validate the data by type to be written in a cell or in column or the selected rows and columns individually. So here, if I explain it in a simpler way, for which I will open my Excel. So let me open my Excel first.
Start window, pinned list, Word, Excel.
Yeah, so I'm opening my Excel.
Opening Excel. Excel, home. Sheet 1 table, a 1.
Blank workbook is open. So here in A1, if I write
Edit H, V, A, J.
Dwaj, okay.
A 2. Va J1.
Dwaj, okay.
A 2.
And now if
Va J1.
I write here any number.
Edit cell, edit 1. 1. A 2.
So it is 11.
11 a 1.
Or if I write any sign.
Edit cell, edit.
I'm writing here star or
slash.
slash.
A 2, a 1.
A1 it is not speaking because my punctuation level is at none. Let me
symbol level most.
Okay.
Star slash A1.
Star slash. Okay, so I can write anything here. Okay.
A 2.
So
a 1.
So now example for I want to just tell a person that he can't write here any name or any number. So for that we will validate it. Okay. So first we will validate first 5 cells from A1 to A5.
A 1 through A2. A 1 through A5 selected.
A1 to A1 to A5. Now I will tell you a shortcut to reach to the data validation. Okay. So you need to press Alt plus A.
Ribbon tabs, tab control expanded. Data tab selected, Alt a 6 of 9.
Data tab. Now you need to press V twice. V for voice. Or we can say V for validation.
V. Data validation dialog, validation criteria. Tab control settings.
Here are 3 tabs. So let us discuss which are they. We can switch through them by pressing Ctrl tab. One is setting tab.
Tab control. Input message tab.
Input message tab.
Error alert tab selected.
Error alert tab. So let me go to the settings tab first.
Settings tab selected.
Settings tab. So here I will press tab.
Allow combo box any value.
So here it is telling me any value. Now example for in this 5 cells I want to write only name or the only you can say characters. So I am opening the combo box. So
allow combo box whole number any value.
Any value.
Whole number. Decimal. List. Date. Time. Text length.
So I am pressing tab over here.
Data combo box between Alt plus D.
Let me press
allow combo box text length Alt plus A space.
Text length and I am pressing tab.
Data combo box between Alt plus D.
Between
minimum edit Alt plus M blank.
You need not to select minimum or maximum.
Maximum ignore blank checkbox checked Alt plus B. Clear all button Alt OK. Microsoft Excel dialog, you must enter both a maximum and a minimum. OK. Data
tell you to write minimum and maximum. So I'm writing
Data
here.
allow tab control allow data combo box between alt plus D. Minimum edit alt
It is
data
saying between. You can select here as well.
day equal to
Equal
not
to,
between
not between,
between
between,
not between
not between, not between,
between
between means you can select from this to this. Not between
not
means,
between
you can write here from anywhere. Then you have
equal to
means you can write here only this. You cannot write anything else.
not equal to
Not equal to means you can write anything else but not this.
greater than
Greater than means you can write example for 20. So you can write greater than 20.
less than
Less than. You can write less than 20.
greater than or equal to
Greater than or equal to means 20 or more.
less than or equal to
Less than means 20 or less. Okay, so I am taking here
greater than not equal to
equal to you can take. So I am taking here equal to no, let me
not
take
between
between.
edit alt plus M blank
Minimum we can write here. I am writing
5
5.
maximum
Maximum
1
10.
0 10 ignore blank checkbox clear all okay book 1 dash
I am
Excel
writing here.
a 1 a 2 a 1
A1 I am writing here. Examples for I am writing here.
edit cell editor LPA Microsoft Excel dialog this value doesn't match the data validation restrictions defined for this cell retry button alt plus R
See, I wrote 4 characters here, so it is telling me that you need to write, means it is not fulfilling the criteria. So I will press insert B, so you can read
V
it. Oh, sorry.
Microsoft Excel dialog this value doesn't match the data validation restrictions defined for this cell retry button alt plus R cancel button help button alt plus H graphic this value doesn't match the data validation restriction
It is telling this data doesn't match, so I will press retry
cancel button help button alt plus A retry book 1
retry button, okay.
blank
Here I am writing. Let me write
R U P E S H sheet 1 table a 2
See, it doesn't give me error.
Rupashay 1
It doesn't give me error. So let us write something between
a
10
2
characters, okay.
edit cell edit H V A J D H Y A N I Microsoft Excel dialog this value doesn't match the data validation restrictions defined for this cell
Because 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. So I cannot write 11 characters here. So I have validated this.
book 1 cancel button book
So I am cancelling it and we will move to the number, whole number part.
B2 B1 B1 through B2 selected
B1 through B2, okay. And I am pressing over Alt A.
ribbon tab control V data validation dialog validation allow combo box any value alt plus
Any value.
allow combo box whole number
Whole number we are taking here.
data combo box between alt
Between. First we need to write, we are checking with the between, okay.
minimum edit alt plus
Minimum we are taking
1 0
10.
data 10 maximum
Maximum we are taking here 20,
2
okay.
0
And I am pressing
20
tab.
ignore blank checkbox
Ignore
clear
blank.
all okay but
Okay,
book 1 dash Excel sheet 1 table B1
B1 here I am writing here example for 11. See.
B2 11 B1
It is telling no error, okay.
B2
And here I am writing here 9.
edit cell edit 9 Microsoft Excel dialog this value doesn't match the data validation restrictions defined for this cell retry button alt plus R
So it is telling that this doesn't fulfill.
book 1 dash Excel grid data grid quote B quote 2 data item selected row 3
So here I am
blank
writing. Let us write 21, okay.
1. Microsoft Excel dialog. This value doesn't match the data validation restrictions.
So this doesn't match. Okay. So
Cancel button. Book 1.
so we are trying with the not between. Okay. Or the not equal to.
B3.
B3.
B3 through B4.
B3 to B4 I have selected. I am pressing Alt A.
Ribbon tabs. Tab V. Data validation. Allow colon. Combo box. Allow colon. Decimal. Whole number.
Whole number.
Data colon. Combo box between alt.
Between we are taking
Data equal. Not equal. Greater than.
greater
Less
than.
than. Greater than or equal to.
We are taking greater than equal to. Okay.
Minimum colon. Edit alt plus M.
Here I am minimum writing. We will take the same one.
0.
10.
10. Ignore blank checkbox. Checked alt plus B.
Ignore. Ignore no. We will keep it checkbox. Check.
Clear OK.
Okay.
Book 1
but
dash X.
now I'm going to
B2.
B2. not
B3.
B3. Okay. B3 here I am. So I'm here writing 9. Okay.
Edit cell. Edit 9. Microsoft Excel dialog. This value doesn't.
And I'm pressing enter, then it give me error. Okay.
Can't help retry. Book 1.
Here I am writing example for 10.
0.
Then it will
Sheet
take.
1 table. B4.
And here in B4 I am writing here something like 100.
Edit cell. Edit 1. 0.
Okay.
B5.
So it will take. Why? Because it is greater than 10. Okay. So we are
A
going
5.
into
A 4. A
A4.
4 through A5. Select
Oh no, I think so it is already selected. So let us
1.
put.
C4. C3. C1. C1 through C2.
I am taking one more example for you, which is less than or equal to. Okay.
Ribbon tabs. Tab. V. Data validation dial. Allow colon.
Allow colon.
Allow decimal. Whole number.
Whole number I am taking. You can check with
Book
the
1. Data colon. Combo box
between
data equal not greater. Less than or equal to.
less than equal to.
Maximum colon. Edit alt.
Maximum I am taking here 10.
0.
Okay.
10. Ignore clear all. OK. Book 1.
Okay. So here I am writing
C1.
C1. I am writing here more than 10, like 11.
1. Microsoft Excel dialog. This value doesn't match the data validation restrictions defined for this cell. Retry button alt plus R.
So it is telling me that it is not validating.
Book
So let us try with the
blank.
9.
9. Sheet 1 table. C2.
So it is going to C2. Like that you can validate. So now we will talk that where it is used. Where it is used. You might be thinking that this guy is teaching us, but where to use it? So yeah, let me confirm with you that you need to use this. Like if you are making a, you can say attendance sheet for someone. Like I am the teacher and somebody is making a sheet for me, that you need to take the class and you need to write example for from A1 till A100 or whatever the childs are present. You need to write their number only. I mean name only, name. You cannot write anything except name. Okay, so you can use it like that. That you can write name only, name. And if I go to B1, means B1 to B100 or whatever, there I need to write number like 1 or 0. So I can take their minimum is 0 and maximum is 1, greater than 0 or less than 1. Less than 2 you can write. So if you write 0, then it's absent, and 1, then it is present. But he can't write more than 2. So he will not write 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He will not write like that. So it is used there. And you can use it many places. This is the one example, but you can have more. So in this video, this much only.
Ribbon tabs. VV.
we will meet next time. For that, please like, share, and subscribe my channel Tech with NVDA and press the bell icon to never ever miss any of my updates. You can follow me on Instagram at tech_with_NVDA, or you can log on to my website www.techwithnvda.wordpress.com, and there you need to go to the contact section, write your number, your phone number, your email ID, your name, and your doubt. I will reply to your doubt. You can go to blog section and see my blog. You can also email your doubts to me at techwithnvda@gmail.com. I will reply to you there as well. So, thanks for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe.
Data validation. Data val. Book 1 meeting.